Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to continue where you left off in the Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one O icon in the left top corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the settings window, select basic option in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom to find on a startup section. Under this one, select this one option, retain tabs from previous session, and then close this one Opera browser. Next time when you will launch Opera browser, you will see your all previous tabs have been restored automatically